Number 12. Aston Martin DB5. The iconic silver birch Aston Martin DB5, perhaps best known for its role alongside James Bond in Goldfinger, has long been the stuff of many a young man's dreams, earning the title of the world's most famous car. Recognized for its unparalleled aesthetics, the Aston Martin DB5 was produced in limited numbers. It was created to rival the likes of sports cars from renowned brands like Ferrari and Maserati. The particular DB5 mentioned was crafted in the UK in 1960, shipped to the US within the same year, and officially registered in 1961. However, it had not been on the move for almost a century. Initially parked outside its owner's home in Massachusetts in the early 1970s, the car was eventually cloaked by nature, trees concealing its frame and leaves blanketing its now rusty wheels. Oftentimes, classic cars resurface after years in seclusion in barns and storage units, but it is quite rare for a car as coveted and valuable as this DB5 to be rediscovered in a forest. Despite its weathered state, the car stands as a restorable and precious collector's item. It was offered up for sale at the first Scottsdale auction conducted by Worldwide Auctioneers in January 2017. The auction house estimated its value to fetch between $500,000 and $585,000, a testament to the enduring allure and worth of this remarkable piece of automotive history. Number 11. Bugatti In The Lake. The story of the 1925 Bugatti Type 22 Roadster, lost by René Dreyfus during a drunken poker game in Paris in 1934, is as captivating as it is unique. Dreyfus, a celebrated Grand Prix driver, wagered his cherished vehicle to a Swiss playboy who, upon attempting to transport his prize home, was stopped at the Swiss border unable to afford the import tax. With no other options, the playboy abandoned the Bugatti to Swiss officials who deemed the decade-old car unworthy of the tax expense and rolled it into the Lake Maggiore, where it sank to a depth of 173 feet. It remained submerged until 1967 when it was discovered by a local diving club, overcoming nearly 3 decades of water pressure. For over 40 years, the site became a popular dive spot until the car was eventually retrieved in 2009 in front of an audience of thousands, selling for about $370,000 at auction to Peter Mullen. The Bugatti Type 22 now resides as a preserved piece of history in the Mullen Automotive Museum in Oxnard, California, maintaining its lake-conditioned allure. Number 10. 1957 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe. In 1957, a brand new gold and white Plymouth Belvedere was meticulously sealed in cosmoline wax and placed within a massive concrete vault, with the intention of presenting it to the citizens of 2007 as a pristine example of 1957 civilization. However, despite high hopes for its preservation, when the vault was opened 50 years later, the car emerged as nothing more than a deteriorated pile of rust, rendering the engine practically inoperative. Although the rest of the time capsule's contents remained intact, the car's former glory was irretrievably lost. Despite a significant restoration effort, which saw $15,000 spent in vain attempts to revive the vehicle, the rescue mission was ultimately abandoned. By 2015, it was decided that Miss Belvedere would find her final resting place on display at the Historic Auto Attractions Museum in Roscoe, Illinois, serving as a testament to the unpredictable nature of time and preservation. Number 9. Ferrari F40. The Ferrari F40, created as a competitor to the Porsche 959, not only surpassed its rival in popularity but also became a highly coveted vehicle worldwide. It holds the distinction of being the last car approved by Enzo Ferrari himself before his death and was one of the most powerful and expensive cars at the time of its release. Among its notable owners was Uday Hussein, the son of the former Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein, who maintained an extravagant collection of luxury cars, including an F40, until his assassination by U.S. Special Forces in 2003. Following his death, rumors emerged about the Ferrari F40, supposedly left to decay in an unidentified desert location, sparking the curiosity of car enthusiasts. One such enthusiast, YouTuber Radar Asa, embarked on a journey to locate this abandoned treasure and aimed to transport it to the UK for restoration. Radarace's quest, featured in a video showcasing the sand-covered Ferrari and soliciting viewers' help to find its precise location, led him to Erbil, the capital of Iraqi Kurdistan. During his mission, Radarace connected with Chris from Gas Monkey Garage, who was also in pursuit of the Ferrari and had pinpointed its location in Iraq. Upon inspection, they found the car in a sorry state, with a sand-filled engine and missing parts, making its restoration and transportation a daunting challenge. Consequently, no agreement was reached to move the vehicle. Currently housed in a garage, the vehicle's owner has set its price at an exorbitant $1,150,000, a testament to its enduring legacy and the lengths enthusiasts are willing to go to reclaim a piece of automotive history. Number 8. Lamborghini Diablo. Seeing a Lamborghini Diablo, a car that marked its era as a beacon of sophistication and performance, being neglected and left to decay in the open is a truly lamentable sight. Introduced in 1990 as the proud successor to the legendary Countach, the Diablo represented an era of exhilaration and innovation, especially after Chrysler's acquisition of Lamborghini in 1987. The name Diablo, Spanish for devil, perfectly captured the car's fiery spirit and was a testament to its potent performance. Marcello Gandini, the maestro behind its design, endowed the Diablo with distinctive elements such as a slanted front end, a steeply raked windshield, and the iconic scissor doors, securing its place as one of the most stylish cars ever produced. Yet, amidst its grandeur, this particular Diablo was abandoned, its elegance withering away under the indifferent gaze of goats. The mystery of how or why it came to be in this state remains unsolved, but it now serves as a sad spectacle for the goats and the goats alone, a stark reminder of neglect tarnishing magnificence. Number 7. Dodge Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger Daytona stands out as one of Dodge's most spectacular designs, created as a homologation model for their NASCAR racing endeavors. With only 505 units ever produced, it's a rare gem in the automotive world. Despite such exclusivity, one of these legendary cars was found abandoned and succumbing to rust in the countryside of Wisconsin, a sad fate for a vehicle that originally retailed for around $4,000. Remarkably, this particular Daytona, which has had only 2 previous owners and retains nearly all its original components, from its iconic rear wing to the internal mechanics, including the Dodge 440 Magnum V8 engine and 3-speed auto transmission, was discovered after nearly 30 years of neglect. The car's full history and the reasons for its abandonment remain a mystery, yet its market value is astonishing. Expected to fetch between $150,000 and $180,000 at auction, this rusting relic from the past serves as a testament to the enduring allure of classic American muscle cars. Number 6. Bugatti Type 57s. This rare Bugatti, one of only 17 ever made, lay dormant in storage for almost 4 decades, tucked away since 1960 and scarcely driven after its initial purchase. Routinely garaged, a minimal effort was made to preserve it. As time passed, its value, much like a fine vintage wine, appreciated due to its scarcity and the mystique of an old Bugatti. When the original owner passed away in 2007, the inheritors of the garage were astonished to discover such a treasure. Their fortune only grew when they learned that this automotive gem could garner a staggering sum at auction, potentially over $5 million, much like the celebrated return of a prodigal son. Number 5. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Discovering an abandoned limited edition Rolls-Royce is truly heartbreaking, especially when it's the distinctive Centurion edition, renowned worldwide for its exclusivity. Tragically left on the street, this exceptional vehicle, once the epitome of luxury admired by many, has fallen into a disgraceful state. It's rumored that the car, which previously belonged to a Las Vegas celebrity and was later sold to a Russian buyer, now sits neglected, stirring both local sympathy and outrage. Despite the hope that its previous owners might reclaim this magnificent car, It remains forsaken, a victim of sheer neglect and an odd twist of fate in an unexpected location. Number 4. Mercedes SLR McLaren. The Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, a grand tourer that emerged from a collaboration between Mercedes-Benz and McLaren Automotive, was once a crown jewel among high-performance cars. At the time of its inception, Mercedes-Benz held a 40% stake in the McLaren Group, with both entities known for their engineering marvels. However, despite its initial limited edition status, the production of this iconic hypercar was discontinued in 2011. Since then, one particular SLR McLaren, renowned for its competition against the Porsche Carrera GT and Ferrari Enzo but with a greater emphasis on GT driving, has faced a sad fate. Seized by the police in the mid-2000s, it has languished in a police parking lot, subjected to the elements and potential damage from wildlife, thus rendering its sophisticated electronics and integral components like the engine and brakes possibly inoperable. Due to an ongoing investigation concerning its owner, this 617 horsepower, 5.4-liter supercharged V8 masterpiece has been off-limits and might require extensive maintenance to return to the road. Should it ever be released from police custody, it's likely to be auctioned off. This once class-leading supercar, remembered for its unparalleled blend of luxury and performance, now stands abandoned, awaiting an uncertain future. Number 3. Jaguar XJ220. Stumbling upon an abandoned car can evoke a profound sense of melancholy, especially when the neglected vehicle is not just any car, but the Jaguar XJ220, one of the rarest cars on Earth. This model of Jaguar is a significant part of the brand's prestigious history, born from a dream of their former chief designer, Jim Randall. It represents an unexpected success story within the automotive industry. Yet, there lies one such car, spotted by Mick Bramley of Crank and Pistons in the Qatari desert, forsaken and gathering layers of dust. This XJ220, once a symbol of luxury and prestige, is now wasting away under the harsh desert sun. It's disconcerting to witness such deterioration of an exceptional creation, its history and the circumstances of its neglect shrouded in mystery. For any car enthusiast, the opportunity to possess an XJ220 is a coveted dream, yet this one sits abandoned, its potential glory increasingly buried beneath the sands of time. Number 2. Bugatti Veyron. Over the years, we've seen many abandoned supercars, but the story of a Bugatti Veyron left in a deplorable state is particularly striking. This Bugatti, following a collision, was not just abandoned by its owner but buried in ash in what seemed like a ritualistic farewell. The damage indicated it was involved in an accident, likely with an Aston Martin, leading to its neglect rather than repair. Astonishingly, this is the second instance of a luxury car being abandoned in Russia, the first being a Rolls-Royce. The abandonment of such a vehicle, worth around $2 million, is akin to setting a fortune ablaze, a decision far beyond the understanding of most, unless one possesses a wealth meant to last several lifetimes. Number 1. Koenigsegg One. In a commendable move, the owner of a rare and swift car originally chose to protect it from the elements by parking it in a garage. Nevertheless, this act is overshadowed by the fact that the car has been left abandoned. As one of only 3 in existence, it now occupies a parking spot without an attentive owner. Such exceptional vehicles warrant a higher degree of care and respect. Even the company responsible for renting out the parking space was astonished to find such a car left unattended. Unnoticed by many, the parking fees piled up to a hefty 1,000 Swiss francs, about $1,000. This incident is telling of the owner's unusual tendency to forsake commitments. Apparently moving on to another luxurious automobile, the owner has forsaken this valuable machine.